Hi, this is Charles Nenner with a special update for May the 3rd. So far, predictions are coming through. Since the end of last year, the markets are down big. We don't even realize how much they're down. The first couple of months until now was the biggest down move for the last 80 years. So this is serious stuff. But right now, we could be at an inflection point. As we show here on the Dow Jones chart, and this is a daily chart, as you can see on the left side, there is a cycle low projected for the 5th of May. And since yesterday, there was a serious reversal, we have to pay attention if the cycle is not 1 or 2 days early. Yesterday, our downside price target on the Dow Jones was reached, and the Nasdaq and S&P missed it by only 1%. Now, the situation we expect into the summer is going to be as follows. The long-term cycles continue down for 1.5 years, maybe 2 years. So we could have the daily cycle leading to a bounce. For now, since the longer-term cycles are down and the daily cycle is up, we should not get a lot of upside, but there could be worthwhile of taking into consideration if there are a couple of stocks that are worthwhile selling for people who didn't sell before once we get to a cycle top. What we expect is the market to see or sideways, but probably a little bit up into the summer. And in the summer, this cycle, the daily cycle and the long-term cycle stop again and have the same situation as by the beginning of the year or the end of December. So after the summer, already starting in the summer, we expect another big down move. So my recommendation is, first of all, for investors who did not sell the first time that we had this configuration, should use the bounce coming into the summer to lighten up still on the stock. Another indicator we have is the fact that in 1 or 2 days, there is a short-term cycle on the VIX, as we published before. So it's reasonable to think that we could have a bounce, and maybe the reversal of yesterday was the beginning. Traders that are watching very short-term or intraday updates can use the price targets and the fact that we could see a bounce based on the daily cycle to do some trading. But do not forget the main indicators still are down for a long period, and we have entered a period that is totally different than the last few years, I would say, but the many years, at least 10-15 years, based on the long-term cycles. And if we have more inflation, then the amount of down move and how much people are going to pay for each stock is going to go down substantially. We hope that this will help you maneuver through the coming weeks. And again, if you're not out of stocks like we are, please use the bounce into the summer to lighten up, because the next down move after the summer is going to be very serious again.